I want to share with you what are my 5 dream bags. This is a tag video by Ms Photoghenic, my friend here in YouTube. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share what are my 5 dream bags. This is a tag video from my friend that I met here on YouTube, Ms Photoghenic. Hello dear, thanks for tagging me, and I'm very sorry that this took a long time because it is just very difficult decision to make. Having the list of my 5 dream bags are quite an interesting pick. I really have to sit down and contemplate about it. Knowing that I already have enough bags in my collection that I'm happy with and content, I do have some dream bags that I want to share with you. This is quite interesting because my taste has really changed over the few months, and it's quite unexpected with my choices if you have been watching me already. First in my list is the most stunning Gabrielle, the size 26. I think Gabrielle is just the best bag in my opinion. The style I love, the flap and the turn lock from Moynat. The turn lock is superb. There's really nothing comparable out there in the market. With the way Moynat are making their bags, their turn locks on their bags, it just sounds like opening and closing an expensive car door. That's how I would describe it. And also I like that it has the letter M lock. I like the letter M because I was born in the year of the monkey, so the turn lock really resonates to me. I already have the 2 other sizes of it, which I just unboxed and shared it with you. The BB and the largest size, so I would need like a size 26, the mid size. And that bag is first in my selection, top 1 for my dream bag. I just don't know yet what color or what type of material I want it to be. I haven't decided. If I see something that I like, I might purchase it, but for this year I just probably will purchase 1 or 2 bags because there's really nowhere to go with a lot of places close in our area, and I still have some bags that I own that I have to really enjoy. The second in my list is the Rejan, also from Moynat. I think that's how you pronounce it, Moynat. I thought I pronounce it many different ways, but I think Moynat is how you pronounce it. But yes, the Rejan is one of the bag that is in my wish list, and it's top 2 because I think every bag collector should own this if you really enjoy bags. Rejan is the first bag in history that was named after a celebrity, Gabrielle Rejan. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but yes, that's back in the 1800s, so it's a lot of history on that bag. This one too, I like. And I really like the turn lock as well. I'm not sure what color or material I would love to get, but we'll see. I'm in no rush to buying any bags right now, but it's quite nice to give it a thought. 24 karat gold plating, and inside is palladium.
Yes.
And this is 12,000. 12,500. Third bag that is in my wish list is the trendy CC. I don't know what size yet. I haven't really checked on it at the store what would fit me, but I really like the trendy CC in the black lamb skin with the gold hardware. So that's the third one from Chanel. And the fourth bag that is somewhat somehow I like but I'm not crazy about is the Chanel 19. I'm still not sure because I usually love structured bags, so I'm not 100% sure about it, but I thought it is pretty, and yes, I could put it on my fourth place. And the last bag that I like in the market, but I'm not sure if I will really own one because it's quite expensive. But I think it's cute and adorable, and I could really use it if I have one, is the Hermes Constance. I am not liking how the price is, and I also was thinking about the Kelly this year, but I noticed in my collection that I really don't have bags with some kind of belty straps, so I was considering the Birkin or the Kelly, and I didn't had a good luck when I went to Paris. Over time, my love for it has just died down. I think I didn't like that it's too popular, and the bags look so tired because it's all over in social media. No offense to those who likes them, of course they are pretty bag, it's just not for me. And I don't like the games that Hermes play. And of course, from all the items that I've seen in Hermes so far, the only thing I really like is that Legend sandals, which I own. I have 2 pairs of them, and so far that's just really what I like in that store, in that brand. And I don't think I would just purchase anything for the Birkin. The style of it is just, and I heard it's heavy to carry, and I don't think it's good for my lifestyle since I'm always on the go. So that bag won't work for me, I don't think. So I kind of assess myself, where am I really on how I feel about these bags. I just feel like the Constance is a possible for the future when I have a lot of money. But yeah, it's just what we call dream bags. Constance is one of the prettiest, I think, that I would consider, but I just don't want to play the game. That's why I like Moana a lot, because it's all pros and pros with the brand. I always feel happy when I go and shop there, and I don't have to play the game, and the price of the bags are just fair for what it is. I like that idea that because bags are just bags, unless you have a lot of money, extra money to spend on it, then go ahead, you know, we can buy just whatever we want. But they are very expensive, and I feel that each purchase will have to be thought of as well. For an ordinary girl like me, it needs a lot of thinking before deciding on buying this bag. So yes, that is it for my picks, and I hope that you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you on my next one. You take care always, and I love you.